Welcome to the good, the bad, and the AI. And yes, Miles is back, watching, learning, and raising one eyebrow at today's topic. Because episode 2 dives into the bad, the darker side of AI, the part no one wants to talk about, but everyone needs to understand. Stay with us to the end. The safety tips could genuinely protect you or someone you love behind all the cool tools and clever shortcuts. There's a growing problem. AI can now clone a voice in seconds. Your voice, your child's voice, your partner's voice. Scammers use it to create fake emergencies, fake distress calls, fake bank authorizations, all sounding frighteningly real. AI can impersonate you on the phone, convince someone to send money, or trick a loved one into believing something terrible has happened. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening right now. And it's getting more sophisticated every single week. Here are the top 3 ways to protect yourself. And yes, Miles insisted we include these. Tip 1. Use a family safe word. Miles calls this your superpower word, a simple, secret phrase only your family knows. If someone calls in distress and doesn't know it, you know it's fake, instantly. Tip 2. Hang up and call back. If you get a frightening or urgent call, don't react. Hang up. Call the real person yourself. Scammers lose their power when you pause. Tip 3. Slow everything down. Miles's favorite rule: scammers push panic. You push pause, take a breath, ask questions. Real emergencies almost never need instant payments, even when bananas are on the line. Next episode, we're doing something special. We'll be showing you an AI tool that helped us create a magical Christmas story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us reach more people.